Omonogeri tokurwase county ya Nyamira tokuikase county ya Nairobi Omonogeri Bweserekari Giles Owino oyu onyarete kobagose onyarete kurwe nkwana yaye aborit kwerie igoro nkwana yaye ntangani kegima kurwa choro kobo Omonogeri Bweserekari nigo anyare kobaga Komochia eromberi bakwamereria eserekari anene asatebire nige kubwatuka kiroboti cy'oburimo gucyasaba Kenya gukwana kurwa ase amagacho aharambe annex igasomo Nairobi Owino nigatebire buna ense ya Kenya nigo ebwato bosibore bwoko baso morengo ndo ense bwa gisiasa korenda otebire buna ribara ororo nigo babonete kubwatia richiko nabo igo batige korandia kitarifa cy'oburimo kubwatekana n'eserekari kinga kiyecho nigo atebire abakenya banyare ko baba kubwatera omorembe koboko asatebire nigo babonerete kwerenda na gwetanga kurachibura buruchi kwene kigwana mangana ya gisiasa asabo igaruro kubore go cyasa abasaye batige gutumika bube kinga kiyechiga ense yariganeti gucyasobo choryo bonene.
Also, a government in waiting, so they must tell us what they want to do. I saw the other day, again, Senator Sifuna saying that he does not have a manifesto. What he has is one term. The president must go. We know the president must go at one term, whether one term or two term, he must go because that is what our constitution has provided. But what are you laying for these young people? Most of these guys in opposition, even if you tell them what is the difference between Shah and Shif, they don't know. They refuse to read. They have blocked their minds. And these are people that unfortunately government through parliament is paying their insurances. So they don't feel what you feel at the end of the day. Life is temporary and we will go. People are here. People are in this town 100, 200 years ago. We have gone, we will also go. So we must be honest to ourselves as a country.
We must ask us hard questions, both government and opposition. Because this is a democracy. We must have government at every time. We must have opposition at every time. But you must ask us hard questions. We must collaborate all our sentiments with facts and with data. If we don't do that, then we are going to fail on our responsibility. We have had a situation in this country that when we call for peaceful demonstrations, as provided for in the Constitution, to demonstrate peaceably and unarmed, what happens? What do you see? People burning tires on the road. If truly the government is bad and the government is stopping you from peaceably demonstrating, then you can walk away.
Omoncho morigererio tokurera nagari ayema asoroboti rori bweri tanga na kumanyibuna ense ya Kenya nige guchengera rituko gose emyaka 15 no mokorwa echaka gutumia ekatiba eyu ya chagetigu mwako 2010 wekabono eganerere egendrete gutumika asabono tigaturagendera konyore nkwana yo muraibo ense yu agendrete kubwatuka guchiasa ba Kenya kurugeiga aso mucho Nairobi asa magacho ake ICC turagenda yemasemo turasanga no muraibo ense turaibunararia ya bwate gocha